found my own pocket. Sweet. You're supposed to be helping. Alright, so people want to know how you clean crystals, and I'm about to show you. Get them inside a tub. The tub needs to be outside because you're going to use serious chemicals. They have a boatload. First you dig them up, then you're going to use this stuff. Alright, then you put oxalic acid in. Always acid into water, never water into acid. And I'm gonna mix it up. Cover it with hot water. Good morning from Philadelphia. A lot of people have asked me how I clean my crystals. Yesterday, I put them all in a tub. I dumped a lot of hot water on them and I mixed them with oxalic acid. It is wood bleach and you can buy it at any home, kind of like home store or even the internet. You can get chemicals, sure, on the internet, why not? And I am letting them cook. They've been cooking since yesterday. I'm gonna check them today. And you know, the hardest part of cleaning crystals is going to Arkansas to dig them up. So there's that. And it's definitely worth the trip. I've been twice. I love it. Mount Ida, Arkansas. Let's take a look and see how they're doing. They're doing well. Starting to turn. Let's see. Oh yeah. That looks awesome. Today's Saturday. They should be super awesome by tomorrow. I'm gonna give them a stir with a stick, never with your bare hands because it's actually acid. And churn up that water a little bit, and then I'm gonna go pour beer and forget about them. They look pretty good. Nice and white. I'm gonna take them out and rinse some of them off. Alright, they look pretty good. First batch I'm taking inside before the thunder gets here. Alright, first round came out pretty good. It's okay if the water turns green. It's fine. What do you think?